numbers hit a new high in Oregon. The whole state is under new guidelines to slow the spread.
All new this hour, we're hearing from a local sheriff who does not plan to enforce Governor Kate Brown's social gathering restrictions.
The governor gave law enforcement agencies discretion on enforcing the freeze that took effect on Wednesday. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz spoke with the Linn County Sheriff and breaks down what he will and won't be doing.
We spoke with people in Albany about this to hear how the community feels about enforcement of COVID-19 restrictions. You know, I spoke with the sheriff here today. He says that the department's approach is the same that it was in the spring, with a focus on education, not criminal enforcement. As the state is under a list of COVID-19 restrictions, Linn County Sheriff Jim Yon wants to be clear about law enforcement's role in all of this.
My office isn't here to count people in people's houses. For me to go into someone's house, I would need a search warrant.
Sheriff Yon says his office will not be enforcing COVID-19 restrictions at a criminal level.
Of course, we know the ramifications of COVID-19. We want people to be safe. We want people to follow the rules. I'm just drawing the line at making a physical arrest over someone not, having turkey dinner and there's 3 households there with 7 people. I draw the line there.
But he says his office will focus on education.
We're going to evaluate the call. If it's just someone, so-and-so was in, Hoy's hardware store without a mask, we're probably not going to do anything with that. But if we get a call of a residents and they're having a party, we'll make contact with them. We'll talk about, social distancing, wearing a mask, all those important things that truly, almost all Oregonians are doing anyways.
But Sheriff Yon says it's ultimately the individual's decision on whether they adhere to these health and safety measures.
To me, it's what is our role in our community? We are not the Gestapo. That's not what we're about.
People in Albany have mixed views on the sheriff's stance on the issue.
I'm okay with them not arresting people that gather at their homes because I do feel that is an invasive, overly reaching aspect of it. But I do believe that where there are people gathered socially outside of the home, whether that be in church or in the park or wherever, I think that we do need to enforce the governor's edict.
And the Marion County Sheriff's Office also released a statement saying that it recognizes it cannot enforce or arrest, quote, our way out of the pandemic. It also recommended that if you do see any violations to contact the OLCC or OSHA. In Albany, Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.